Oh, Twist, Mama misses you. Hear that wind? Oh, Twist, Mama loves you so much. She knows she's being recorded. I don't think she likes it. There she goes. Oh, get it. That wind's loud this morning. Very gusty. Gusting up to 45 miles an hour, I do believe. Hey, Hurricane. BB. What do you think of this crazy weather we're having, this wind? I know. How fast those clouds are moving. Oof. What? I'm right here. Come here. Hi, Hurricane BB. Mama loves you. Yes, Mama does. Mama loves you. Aww. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Yeah, and there's Simon. Yeah. And there's my baby. The reason for my whole existence is right there. Oh, uh-oh. Look at these beautiful trees over here, everybody. I'm allowed to video you. I'm allowed to video you. I did. I said I'm allowed to do that. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. Sorry. What's wrong, Hurricane? Boy, we gotta go back to the back. We gotta see what's going on back here. Look at the wind coming through. Goodness.
Look at the airplane!
I see the airplane. I can't see it on here, but I'm sure it's there. Yes, it doesn't take a lot to really fascinate us. All right, say bye, Twist. Twist, come on. Twist, come on, don't you want to come up here? Hurricane, don't you get in that garden. Oh. See the prism up there? I don't know if you can see the prism. Oh, no, you can't because now it's not there. It's quick. You gotta be quick at this stuff, right? Simon. That's beautiful. So you can see, look at that. What is it, baby? Sorry about that, it's gonna make people sick. This is a new phone I have, so I'm not used to it quite yet. I'm hoping it allows me to upload my videos a lot quicker since it takes forever and a day, and eventually I lose it. Internet and it cuts off, or just wasn't meant to be, I guess. Alright, well, I'm going to get back in to the house and start answering the phone call. There we go. Phone calls for Critters Without Litters, which is a spay-neuter clinic, a low-cost spay-neuter clinic here in Harrodsburg, Kentucky. We have so many feral cats. The numbers are staggering. It's just, I'm not for sure people don't understand the importance spaying and neutering, not just for the pet population, but for the overall health of, you know, the animal, the cat, the dog, whatever. I don't know. But Critters Without Litters is doing amazing things for our community. Say, and these guys appreciate it, I'm sure. All right, y'all wanna walk? Come on, Twist, you wanna go to the back? And then I gotta get back to work. I gotta go answer some phone calls. Take on call. I gotta call some people back. Okay. Hold up. Now that wind right there feels cool. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. I wanted to put something up, anything, because I haven't been able to get back on here. Been busy doing job interviews and working up there at the, you know, Critters Without Litters. So I have another interview today at 2. We'll see what happens. Cross our fingers and our toes. And let's quit picking our nose. Do you see the color up there? Oh, it's so pretty. I don't want to zoom in because I don't really know what I'm doing yet with this phone, and I don't want to mess it up. I'm sure you gotta be able to see it. As soon as I zoom in, it goes away. What is it, baby? See the pretty colors in the sky? It's gone now. Oh, yeah, that looks fun. Those clouds right there are really pretty. Looks like some active. Oh, dang. That wind's gonna blow me off fierce, ain't it? Alright, it's getting dark. I'd say the rain's getting ready to move in. We're supposed to have snow here, I think, what, Friday afternoon or Saturday? Hell, I don't know. But I'm thankful for the weather that we've had this morning. It's been a beautiful morning here in Central Kentucky. Much love to you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.